Okay, let me guess. Your school is so strict that you have to do 2 braids, wear a uniform daily, and even a lip balm feels illegal. And yet some students walk into school looking fresh, organized, expensive, and calm while carrying the same ugly uniform as everyone else. Like, how are they glowing up in a strict school with no makeup or any fancy hairstyles? Well, you've came to the right place. Because today, I'm exposing the entire system. This is the ultimate strict school glow-up guide. And no, I'm not about to tell you to just smile more. We're upgrading the real things. Part 1, the uniform trick that changes everything. Here's the biggest secret. In strict schools, tiny details matter more because everyone wears the same thing. So the student with the cleanest details automatically looks elite. Most uniforms look messy because the collar folds weirdly. Before sleeping, flatten the collar properly, button the top button for 10 minutes, then hang it. It literally trains the fabric shape overnight. Wrinkled sleeves make your whole outfit look tired. In the morning, lightly dampen your hands, smooth the sleeves downward, done. If your sleeves are slightly too long, fold them evenly once. Not 12 crunchy, uneven folds like you're preparing for construction work. Free iron, human addition. Take flower petals, tissue sprayed with perfume, or even an empty perfume bottle and place it inside your uniform cupboard. Subtle scent equals rich student energy. Not just for emergencies, for confidence. Having one extra super clean uniform for presentation days, school photos, or bad laundry weeks changes everything. Part 2, shoes that look new without buying new shoes. Strict schools love ugly shoes, but we can work with that. Keep an old toothbrush only for shoes. Every Sunday, scrub edges with soap plus water and especially the front crease area. Most dirty shoes are only dirty around the edges. Sometimes the shoes aren't ugly, the laces are. Wash laces separately and tie them neatly. Fresh laces equals instantly cleaner appearance. You can make a different yet cute signature style on your shoelace for your secret main character customization setting. If your school allows white socks, wash them separately and dry them in sunlight if possible. Don't mix with dark clothes when washing. And please trim loose threads, tiny detail, huge difference. And this is important. Don't drag your feet while walking through school corridors like a defeated movie character. Dragging shoes destroys the front shape fast. Part 3, hair glow up for strict schools. No makeup, hair becomes everything, and no, you do not need heat tools. Especially in braids or hijab. Wash scarves regularly too. Some people forget this. Your hijab silently absorbs heat, perfume, outside smell, cafeteria air, so my girlie, wash it. If allowed, use underscarf, small clips, neat folds. Structured hijabs instantly look polished. If your uniform is navy, dusty blue, gray blue, deep charcoal, look softer and prettier than trying to find the exact same navy from planet Earth. You know that one hijab that behaves properly? Reserve it for presentations, photo days, or school events. Loose braid before sleeping. Result, less frizz, softer waves, less morning chaos. This changes lives honestly. Before school, wet palm slightly, add 1 drop of oil, smooth flyaways. 1 drop, not enough oil to fry fries on your forehead. Messy partings make hairstyles look rushed. Use edge of a comb, pencil, even ruler corner if necessary. Sharp parting equals instantly cleaner look. If your school allows 2 braids, congratulations! You already have the ultimate glow-up hairstyle. But the difference between messy primary school braids and pretty strict school braids is details. Now for the secret: when you finish braiding, gently pull the braid sideways a tiny bit. Not enough to make it messy, just enough to make it look softer and fuller. Instant upgrade. Spray perfume lightly on your hairbrush, not directly on hair. Then brush lightly. Subtle, clean, not, I got attacked by vanilla guys. If your school allows ribbons, iron them. I'm serious. Crisp ribbons make you look 300% more organized, even if your life is collapsing academically. Always keep one claw clip, one extra hair tie inside your bag. Part 4, Backpack Glow Up. Your backpack tells people everything. If your bag looks like it contains survival supplies for the apocalypse, we need help. People underestimate this. Your lunch energy affects your entire vibe. School lunch hacks: cut fruit beforehand, wrap food neatly, carry napkins, keep gum or mouth freshener if allowed. You instantly feel more put together, and please actually eat. Empty your bag every Friday, every pocket. You will discover broken pens, biscuit fossils, random worksheets from 1842. Clean it. Don't overstuff the front pocket. That turtle shell bulge instantly makes bags look messy. Tiny soap wrapper inside a side pocket. That's it. Every time you open the bag, clean smell, tiny detail, huge effect. Use notebooks in similar colors if possible. Even black and white coordination looks cleaner than rainbow chaos. One cute keychain equals aesthetic. 7 giant plushies swinging around like a chandelier equals no. Keep it simple. Mini pouch, extra underscarf pin, tissues, hair tie, lip balm, folded sanitary pad. Because nothing feels more powerful than opening your tiny pouch and having exactly what you need. Part 5, how to look fresh during school hours. Because the real struggle starts after first period. If your face gets oily, use tissue first, then water. Not directly water on sweat, otherwise you become shiny instantly again. Wash wrists, behind neck, ears during breaks. People underestimate how refreshing this feels. Strict schools mean closed classrooms. Protect yourself. After lunch, rinse mouth with water, chew fennel seeds if available, or just brush tongue properly before school. Simple but powerful. Keep a folded handkerchief in bag, not for aesthetics, for survival. You'll stop wiping sweat with assignment papers. Part 6, strict school beauty hacks that actually work. These are the tiny things that actually works. If you wake up puffy, hold cold spoon under eyes briefly. Works especially after late night studying or crying over chemistry. Tiny amount on eyebrows, lashes, lips. Makes your face look more polished naturally. Tiny amount. You are not glazing donuts. Your phone touches face, hands, desk, mystery substances. Wipe it regularly. A lot of jaw breakouts come from dirty screens. Not buying a new bottle, just clean the cap area properly. Most school bottles smell weird because nobody cleans the cap ring. And if allowed, put tiny cute stickers only on one side. Part 7, the secret to looking put together in class. No makeup girls who always look pretty usually mastered this. Not perfection. You don't need perfect skin, perfect hair, expensive products. You just need repeated small habits. Because looking put together is usually clean shoes, neat hair, fresh smell, organized bag, crisp uniform. That's literally it. This sounds ridiculous, but psychologically it works. A neat desk instantly makes you look more organized. Keep one notebook out, one pen, bottle upright, not 15 exploded papers everywhere. Have one reliable pen brand you always use. That girl students always somehow have the smoothest pen in existence. Every academic girl has a favorite pen she would protect in a house fire. Part 8. Night Routine for School Glow-Ups. This is where future you gets saved. Morning you sleepy and dramatic, night you is smarter. So at night, pack bag, place socks, tie hair ribbons, fill bottle, check timetable. Future you will feel like life magically improved. If you don't have satin, use soft scarf over pillow or smooth cotton t-shirt. Less friction equals less messy hair. Before sleeping, throw trash and organize tomorrow's essentials. Waking up to chaos instantly ruins the vibe. So, no. Glowing up for strict school is not about secretly sneaking makeup into class like a spy movie. It's mastering the tiny details everyone ignores. Because in strict schools, details become your personality. So start small. Pick like 3 things from this video and actually stick to them for 1 week. And suddenly people start saying, you look different, but they can't figure out why. Subscribe for more content like this. See you in the next one.